So hello everyone, I created this video tutorial to guide you on how to answer or how to access your online summative test in AP10. So there are two methods in accessing your online exam. First, I'm gonna be teaching you how to access your summative test through thatquiz application on your mobile phones. So first, what you're going to do is access your Play Store. And then you find the app called thatquiz. Okay, so this is the app. And after you download that, you're going to open and choose students as you are students. And then you're going to enter the code given to you. So for, let's say for example, section GA, every section contains different codes, so you have to type the code carefully because this is case sensitive. So if it is capital letter, you're going to type that one in capital. Let's say for example, the test code of GA is V, F, and 6 V, G, and double X. Okay, so click enter. So here you can see the list of the students in our class. Now you choose your name only. Example, this one. Okay, now you are directed to the examination. So take note, we have here a clock, so meaning there is a timer on how many seconds, on how many minutes you're gonna finish the exam. And in this part, you will see how many items you're going to answer. Once done with your answer, just click OK, and then you will proceed to the next question, and you can check if you have or if you got the correct answer on the left side, so it will appear. Okay, so I got wrong. So in this part you can see your check or wrong answers. Okay, and once you are done, you're going to click submit, and then a result of the examination will be shown. So your scores will be reflected, and the number you got wrong, you got correct answers will also be shown. Okay, so that's it. So that's the first method in answering our online examination through our thatquiz application on mobile phones. Next, I'm going to be showing you the second method, which is through browsers. So you can open any browsers you want available on your phone. So I'm going to be using Chrome. So you type the URL. The URL is thatquiz.org. Click enter. And if you can observe, if your layout is not the same with mine, just click the three dots and make sure to check this part here and click desktop site, because if you're not going to use desktop site, the layout won't be the same with this. So I'm going to be showing you, so I will show you what will happen if you will not use this one. Okay, so this is what you will be seeing in your cell phones if you will not check the desktop side. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it back, click, and this is what you will get. Okay, now next step, you have to enter your test codes here. Again, your test codes are posted in our FB group bit.ly/AP10 SY 2024-2025. So make sure that you are already a member of that group. Okay, now let's type the code. The code is different for every sections. So make sure you copy the right code for your section, because you will not see your names there if you're gonna enter the wrong codes. Okay, so let's say for example the code for section JH is 9H7 2L TT and O. Enter. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. The length of our exam is 40 items, and this is good for 30 minutes. Now here, just click the arrow down to see the students here, and you choose your name. Okay, this is listed alphabetically. So this is in alphabetical order. So just find your names and click. Okay, so these are the questions, and take note the questions are in random sequence, so meaning the other students might have different sequencing of the questions, so they will have the first question different from one another because it is in random, so it's not the same with other students. Alright, then just click your answers, click OK, and then you can see here your number of check, number of wrong, and the time you consume. Okay, so again, take note that we have a time limit for 30 minutes. Okay, you can answer the 40 items for only 30 minutes. Once you are done, automatically it will close, and those numbers which doesn't have answers, automatically it is wrong. Okay, so that's it. The deadline for this is only until September 23, Monday. That's until 12 o'clock in the evening. Okay, so I hope you will submit your summative test on time so that you can answer during the periodical exam. Okay, good luck to your exam.